Hello guys, welcome to Creative Process DIY. My name is Vadim, and in today's video I'm going to be showing you our new project. As you can see, my wife is planning to do a garden here, so it's going to be vegetables and all of that stuff in this area. So we have a cat that is running around and we have a dog, so we need to protect this area, and we kind of also wanted to make it private. So we built this frame for the fence. This is going to be a gate here, and this was first idea. As you can see, we have a 8-foot fence around, and this is cedar fence picket, and it's heavy. Plus, we don't have enough to cover full fence plus gate. So, and once we started nailing these pickets to the frame, we didn't like the result. So I was looking at the Pinterest ideas, what we can do to make it kind of more open and nice, maybe a bit modern. So we found these boards. This is, I believe, 1x2, 2x1, and I was planning to use it for a different project, because as you can see I painted them, and this was first idea, and so it's gonna look like this. I went to Lowe's, and this one piece cost $2.78, or $2.50 if you buy 40 or more. So I noticed this board. It was exact same size, but as you can see, the difference is the edges are not rounded, just straight edges. So the price on each one was $1.48, almost half the price of it. Plus we're planning to make it same color. And so I bought this board. So this is how it's gonna look. Also have exact same space between the pickets, and I think it's gonna look pretty cool. Plus I'll show you what we're gonna do and how we're gonna cover our AC system here. So now I'm gonna use finish nails for these pickets, and once I'm done, I'll show you the results. So this is the finish nails I purchased, 2.5 inches. I think they should be just fine. I'm gonna also pre-drill each fence picket with this wood drill. As I said, because we have a cat, I need also to take care of this space. I'm not gonna cut my pickets until this point, so they're gonna be just basically like a triangle, also covering the space. And then I'm gonna continue with even length from this point to the left. So from this point, as you can see, AC is visible. So now I'm gonna fix it because I don't want to see AC when I'm walking towards this door. So I already cut pieces, as you can see on the other side, and I'm gonna attach pieces on the back side. So it's gonna be in the between only where the unit is. So this is where I finished for today. I started building a frame for the door, but I made a mistake and the door doesn't open right now. So I need to make it a bit smaller. This is I'm gonna do another day. So don't wanna continue right now. This is basically what is left for this project is this door, and then I'm gonna just nail fence pickets on it, and that's it. Hello guys, this is the second day of me building this private fence, and as you can see I finished. So what I did, I built this frame. I'll show you the frame, how it looks. I had two different ideas. I started building one, it didn't work, so I rebuilt the whole thing. So it's gonna match this this board. As you can see, we have three boards, one on the top, one in the middle, and one on the bottom. I added this. I think it turned out really good. I had to cut the tree, as you can see here. Also added the stopper. So also added few stops. This is just for the door, and this is how this part looks from the behind. This is to cover our AC system. But overall, it was a pretty easy project. Now I'm gonna just stain this wood, and this is gonna be a color we're after. It's gonna look pretty cool. So now I'm gonna mix it really well. I hope it's gonna be enough for our project. I think so, it's gonna be enough. Very dark. This is gonna be a difficult part. We're gonna do it with a different paintbrush.
Small one.
Yep, so it's gonna be easier to reach, unreachable. As you can see, very dark. So it's gonna be pretty cool. I'm not gonna show you all of the process, so I'm just gonna start it, make it even, and then I'm gonna show you final result when everything is gonna be done. So I'm gonna be on the other side, and I need to take care of this stains that I have there. So as you can see, it's gonna look pretty cool. So as you can see, it's been already a few days after we finished the project. We had a rain, and this is how everything looks. I think it turned out amazing. The color is awesome, even though it's a bit darker than we wanted. So everything nice and clean, and we're really happy with the result. If you guys wanna make something like this, follow the steps in this video. It's very easy. And of course, if you like the video, hit the like button, subscribe to my channel, and if you have any questions, leave them in the comment section below. Thank you so much for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.